Oregano is a fragrant herb that's best known as an ingredient in Italian food. However, it can also be concentrated into an essential oil that's loaded with antioxidants and powerful compounds that have proven health benefits. Oregano oil appears to be useful both when consumed or applied to the skin. Interestingly, it's an effective natural antibiotic and antifungal, and may also help you lose weight and lower your cholesterol levels. Oregano has been popular ever since the Greeks and Romans used it for medicinal purposes in ancient times. In fact, the name oregano comes from the Greek words oros, meaning mountain, and ganos, meaning joy or delight. The oil contains compounds called phenols, terpenes and terpenoids, which have powerful antioxidant properties and are responsible for its fragrance. Here are 5 potential benefits and uses of oregano oil. 1. Natural antibiotic. Oregano oil and the carvacrol it contains may help fight bacteria. Staphylococcus aureus bacteria are one of the most common causes of infection. They cause ailments including food poisoning and skin infections. Research has shown that oregano oil may be effective against types of bacteria that can become resistant to antibiotics. 2. May help lower cholesterol. In one study, 48 people with mildly high cholesterol were given diet and lifestyle advice to help lower their cholesterol. 32 participants were also given 25 milliliters of oregano oil after each meal. 3. Powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. It is thought that free radical damage plays a role in aging and the development of some diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Free radicals are everywhere, and are a natural product of metabolism. However, they can build up in the body through exposure to environmental factors, such as cigarette smoke and air pollutants. One study compared the antioxidant content of 39 commonly used herbs, and found that oregano had the highest concentration of antioxidants. 4. May improve gut health. Oregano may benefit gut health in a number of ways. Gut symptoms such as diarrhea, pain and bloating are common and can be caused by gut parasites. One study gave 600 milligrams of oregano oil to 14 people who had gut symptoms as a result of a parasite. After daily treatment for 6 weeks, all participants experienced a reduction in parasites, and 77% were completely cured. Participants also experienced a reduction in gut symptoms and tiredness associated with the symptoms. Oregano oil may also help protect against another common gut complaint known as leaky gut. This happens when the gut wall becomes damaged, allowing bacteria and toxins to pass into the bloodstream. 5. Could help relieve pain. Oregano oil has been investigated for its painkilling properties. One study in mice tested standard painkillers and essential oils, including oregano oil, for their capacity to relieve pain. It found that oregano oil significantly reduced pain in mice, with effects similar to the commonly used painkillers phenobarbital and morphine. A similar study found that oregano oil not only reduced pain in rats, but that the response was dose-dependent. That is, the more oregano oil the rats consumed, the less pain they appeared to feel.